Uttarakhand, situated in the Himalayas of India, is a state known for its natural beauty and cultural heritage. Uttarakhand's Social Welfare Department stands as a ray of hope for the deprived and neglected sections of society and aims to improve their condition. Its primary objective is to uplift the lives of scheduled castes, scheduled tribes, other backward classes, disabled individuals, senior citizens, women and other underprivileged sections of society.
समाज कल्याण विभाग राज्य सरकार का एक महत्वपूर्ण विभाग है जो समाज के वंचित और कमज़ोर वर्गों के उत्थान के लिए निरंतर कार्य कर रहा है। हमारी सरकार वर्तमान में अनेकों प्रकार की पेंशन योजनाओं के माध्यम से समाज के लक्षित वर्गों के सशक्तिकरण के लिए प्रयासरत है। वर्तमान में लाभार्थियों को समाज कल्याण विभाग के सूचना प्रौद्योगिकी प्रकोष्ठ IT सेल द्वारा डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म के माध्यम से घर बैठे आवेदन करने की सुविधा दी गई है। पात्र लाभार्थियों को पेंशन का भुगतान मासिक रूप से सीधे बैंक खातों में किया जा रहा है।
Through various development schemes, the department is not only empowering lives but also providing new opportunities for economic progress, social integration and educational advancement. By focusing on poverty alleviation, skill development and employment, it is laying the foundation for a bright and inclusive future. Part of its commitment to empowering the deprived, the Social Welfare Department has established residential schools, technical training centers and hostels. These institutions serve as a lifeline for children from economically weaker families, providing them with opportunities for primary, technical and higher education. Currently, 1,057 students reside in these institutions where they are provided free accommodation, nutritious food and all necessary support to ensure their educational and personal growth. To enhance the vocational skills of students from scheduled castes, the department operates 3 industrial training institutes in Pines, Nainital, Maldhan, Ramnagar and Kamedi, Bageshwar. These institutes offer specialized training in key trades such as electricity, motor mechanics, tailoring, computer programming and office assistance, preparing them for a bright future. In Nainital, Tihri and Pithoragarh, skill development and training programs for differently abled individuals are reshaping lives. Taking a bold step towards empowering scheduled castes, the state government has established a special industrial area. Designed to promote industrial entrepreneurship in urban areas, this zone offers 25 shops, 15 sheds and 19 plots at concessional rates, enabling budding entrepreneurs to thrive. Through the collective efforts of the government and the Social Welfare Department, a path is being paved for a brighter future where no citizen is left behind. These transformative efforts by the department aim to not only provide support but also offer a dignified life to widows, differently abled individuals, farmers and economically weaker women. With an ambitious budget of Rs 2008.84 crore for the financial year 2024-25, the Social Welfare Department is not just planning schemes but also realizing the promise of a better future for every citizen.